Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Thursday, May 13th, 2021. Check this out. Still wearing my Wildcat Wednesday shirt. Hey, it's so good to be here today. Can you please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance? Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, nice job. You guys can have a seat. Go ahead and find your spot. Show me a good slant. Nice work. All right, check this out. We've been talking about reliability this week and that people can count on you. And one of the most important times to be reliable is when you make a mistake. So let's think about that this morning. If you make a mistake, what do? And how can you fix it? Let's start first of all with a quick, really easy conversation. Let's say you're doing a math paper, okay? You're writing your answers and you notice that you've made a mistake. It says 5 plus 5, but you wrote 4. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. What can I do to fix that mistake? Let's chat about that for a few seconds. You can pause me and then bring me back. Nice. I'm back off the pause. Hey, I hope you said fix it. I hope what you said for your answer was, I'm going to get out my big eraser. I'm going to erase that 4 really nice and tidy so nobody can see it. And I'm going to write the right answer, which is 10. Okay. So that was a pretty easy one. Let's try another one. What if you make a mistake like this? What if your teacher or your parents give you some directions to follow and you don't do it? Okay, you made a mistake. You kind of blew it. Part of being reliable is you have to fix it. So we've talked about this in other times. We've talked about this with forgiveness and asking for forgiveness and apologizing. That's one way of fixing it. If you don't follow directions, apologizing won't quite fix that. So I want you to chat with your class for a minute. Remember, the problem is you didn't follow directions. How can you fix that? Hopefully you had some good ideas and hopefully your teacher had some information for you too. I want to tell you just 2 more ideas that you might not have thought of. Number 1, it kind of depends on what the mistake is. Like, what direction did you not follow? Sometimes you can fix it by just doing the thing you were asked, right? So if your parents ask you to clean your room or your teacher asked you to clean your desk and you didn't do it, then maybe you fix that on your own time. Like, maybe instead of watching TV tonight, you clean your room. Or maybe instead of going to recess, you take the first 3 or 4 minutes of recess and make your desk tidy. So one thing you could do is just do it. Another thing that happens though when you're a kid is that sometimes you can't fix the problem just by doing the thing they asked you to do, because maybe they already had to do it, okay? Maybe your mom asked you to feed the dog and you didn't feed the dog. You forgot and you went to bed. Well, guess what? Your mom had to feed the dog. Otherwise, the dog would just be hungry. Maybe your dad asked you to take out the trash and you forgot. Well, then he had to go take out the trash. So the second thing you can do to fix this comes from that Fill My Bucket book, or Fill Your Bucket book, that a lot of us have read before. But remember, you can fill their bucket and do something to make them feel really good. That shows that you want to go ahead and fix this problem. Like, I made the problem. I made a mistake. I know it's a mistake, but I want to fix that. I'm not just going to tell you I'm sorry. I'm actually going to try and fix it. Now, that's going to show your parents that you're reliable. It's going to show your teachers they can count on you, and that you're a person who takes care of what you say you're going to take care of, and that you fix your own mistakes. You can have more of a chat about that in class if you want, or let's go ahead and get this day started. Have a great day, Achieve. Bye.